Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. You're cleaning out your attic, you reach into a dark corner, and suddenly you feel a sharp, stinging pain. You pull your hand back and see a small, brown spider scuttling away. It might not look like much, but if that was a brown recluse, you could be in for a rough time. So, what exactly happens if you get bitten by one of these notorious arachnids? Stick around, because you're about to find out. And hey, if you enjoy learning about the wild side of nature, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button before we dive in. First off, let's get one thing straight. Brown recluse spiders aren't aggressive, they're well reclusive. They prefer dark, undisturbed places like wood piles, closets, and storage boxes. Bites usually happen by accident, like when you unknowingly press one against your skin. Initially, the bite might feel like a small sting, or you might not even feel it at all. For the first few hours, the site might just look like a typical insect bite, a small red mark, maybe a little bit of swelling. You might think, no big deal, and go about your day. But this is where things can get serious. The real trouble starts a few hours later, as the venom begins its work. The brown recluse possesses a potent cytotoxic venom, which means it destroys cells. Specifically, it attacks the walls of your blood vessels and the surrounding skin tissue. The bite area will become increasingly painful, red, and swollen. A telltale sign of a brown recluse bite is the formation of a blister at the center, often surrounded by a pale ring and a larger red ring, creating a bullseye or target pattern. Over the next few days to a week, this is where the infamous necrosis sets in. The central blister can rupture, revealing a dark, ulcerating wound. The venom essentially starves the tissue of oxygen and nutrients, causing it to die and turn black. This open wound, called a necrotic lesion, can grow in size, sometimes becoming several inches in diameter. The pain can be intense, and the healing process is notoriously slow, often taking weeks or even months. Because the tissue is dead, it can't just heal itself. Often, medical intervention is needed to clean the wound and remove the dead tissue to prevent infection and allow new, healthy skin to grow. In severe cases, skin grafts might be required to close the wound, and permanent scarring is very common. So, while these tiny spiders may seem insignificant, their bite can cause some major damage. It's a powerful reminder that even small creatures in the natural world command respect. If you found this dive into biohorror science fascinating, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.